Here goes last day. Shut up. I'm about to get hot. Can't see where I'm going now. That's slightly silly.
It doesn't feel as big. It looks massive.
Sushi!
It doesn't seem that big.
Sushi!
There's a...
Every hole is dripping.
First words I hear through my helmet this morning.
I'm still standing after all this time, like a true survivor, acting like a little kid.
I have to turn off the comms if the nervous scene doesn't wrap up soon.
Someone rushed me, so I've got to do my helmet up. I'm going to pull up and I'll catch you guys up later.
What?
I've got to do my helmet up because you rushed me, so I didn't get to do my helmet up.
Okay, we'll stop.
No, just keep going. I'll catch you up. Hello everyone, and welcome to episode number 7. This is the penultimate episode, and it's a loop of pots, pans, all that place. 230-ish kilometres, a day's riding, and lots of shenanigans. Enjoy, like, and subscribe, please.
Yeah, I can hear you now. In reality, you don't really have to tell me where you are, to be honest. Except if you're on a loop. Oh, great corners.
Yeah. Bam. Dogs. Doggy dogs, watch out, there's 2 of them and then a man. Different view today, isn't it?
Love that.
Look at the clouds.
Cloud filled.
Yeah.
This is a different one, right? Isn't it?
No, the same one we did the other day. Same mirror door that we did. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, Alzheimer's kicking in. I've come to watch. Go. Dish. I'm too sexy for my bike. Too sexy for my bike. So Daniel, 625 or 627, which one's your favourite?
Oh, the gorge is just gorgeous.
Hooray!
Yeah, I think the one yesterday is hard to beat. Oh no, this has got some gorgeousness to it as well. Oh,
look at that.
Oh, how's this for a gorge, fellas? That's just beautiful, Danny.
I couldn't respond, I was sucking on a teat right then.
Oh, we've got a nice little bridge coming up. Should be a nice shot, Steve, if you recorded.
I am indeed recording. Please do not swear. You are live on a 2-year-old recorded. Welcome to 2027, guys, and
oh, this is good.
Look at that.
Nice.
I'm going to go paddling in the stream that goes down through Potess later.
Oh yeah, we do want to paddle, don't we?
Anyone want to do that with us?
Yeah, I'm paddling my arse off.
Oh yeah.
Steve, you just want to get your dick in that water, that's all it is.
What is wrong with you?
Dip your dick in the water.
You ruining every video I'm taking.
I just tell it how it is.
Tony be loving this.
Yeah, it's your road, Stone.
Yeah.
Oh. Car towards. Oh, and.
Whoa!
What the
Mine.
fuck's he doing?
Whoa.
Well, to be fair, can't really see around that. Got a coffee stop coming up.
Nice. Let's do it.
Anybody know the name of it?
No.
I can find it on the way.
Paul, what's the name of the coffee stop? Do you have it?
El Cafiero.
I can't remember, sorry. But
That's it.
I'll do.
There's some parking, guys.
let's have it.
Or is there? Yeah, find space.
Yeah, I'm going to come up there.
Oh, actually, there's probably enough for 8 bikes here.
No, because there's taxi rank, mate.
Oh,
Mind
yeah.
you, it doesn't matter, does it, here?
Oh, already the view's fucking spectacular.
Yeah. It's probably the bit I'll miss the most. Oh, and the culture. Culture and views. Walker. Away.
Oh, hello.
Nostra chica.
Look at that. Wow.
I feel it.
That's better than a poke in the eye, isn't it?
This car's getting fucking large, isn't it?
Look at that, isn't it? Look at where I'm going.
Car towards. There's some shade, and the van's going in the fucking shade, isn't it?
Oh,
Fuckers.
oh well.
Steve, there's a
The shade.
there's a motor cruiser here.
A pack, we'll have a pass. It'll pick and piss stop.
Here we are. Tony Baloney.
Do you still like big dicks?
No. Why would I say that? What? It says do not stand on the wall.
Now, would you like the thumbs up? Would you like the thumbs up first?
Right, here we go. Through the bend, sweepers.
Montage time. So down to bus stop. Very good. A little bit tired after 6 days of riding. Overtake on the solid white line when you could have done it on the spotted lines like a minute ago. Fucking hell. Oh, that's a long corner. What a corner. Wow. Now we're talking. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Oh my god. Ow.
Yeah, exactly. Oh,
Your pegs must be grounding.
wide a little bit.
Oh, I saw that. You were out by the barrier. What were we doing out there?
Nail that corner.
Oh, you're still alive. That's what matters.
For one more corner.
For the next time.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I seem to have lost one of our groups. Might turn around and go back. As soon as I go this way, the other person not me comes back. Comes past.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Well, I doubled back to come and pick Glenn up because he parked up but he didn't pass me.
How far back have you gone?
Like on fucking Wayne, I'm at about 3 miles back.
Yeah, I've come back for you.
Because he... Oh, have you?
Yeah, I'm looking for you.
Fucking hell. He didn't pass me. He was parked up and then he didn't pass me, so I waited, so I came back a bit. Don't worry, carry on. I've got the maps. They're sitting at a junction somewhere.
Are you sure Glenn hasn't gone past?
No, he has. Well, apparently he's with Brendan, but he parked up. I passed him and then he never passed me. I don't know what the fuck was going on.
Oh, so you're coming now, are you?
Yeah, I'm coming now.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Steve.
You alright?
I'm coming back to see what's going on.
Oh no, it's alright, don't worry. I've got Tony.
Oh, you have?
Yeah,
Okay.
he got confused. He thought Glenn was behind him.
Oh, wow. Fucking phenomenal. Have you seen this before?
Yeah. Yeah, we've done this before. Same old, isn't it?
Same old mountain.
Fuck's sake.
Same old lake.
Seen it once before.
You recorded that?
What, that bit there?
That bit?
Yeah, I did. Just for you.
Thank you.
That, either side they've got lakes. Oh, that was it there. I think we've gone past it. We've gone past it. What's yours saying?
Oh, fuck, I was cooking.
Oh well. No, you do that and I'll do something else.
Okay.
Lesson learned, don't follow Tony. Why has no one marked it?
Well, it's our fucking fault.
Why?
We can't use our sat navs.
Well, you're right.
We can't blame anybody in this situation.
Yes, you can. We shouldn't have to look at
on a motorway.
Let's just do a little U-E here.
Okay. Yeah.
Fucking hell. Suck a dick.
This is not our proudest moment.
Well, to be honest, I wanted to look at the view again. Look at that view.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You sure it's in there? Just a bit way. I mean, we've picked the prettiest part of the town, haven't we? Fucking Nora.
Yeah, to the end and then turn left. Should see some bikes.
El Maison.
You see some bikes.
No. Oh, there they are. I've tucked them around the corner, haven't they?
Done. Fuck off. Peh. Fucking got you on.
See that? Hummingbird moth. That's cool. There we go. That's it. So the trip is complete. Let's have a look. What do we do? 180 miles so far. Hola.
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 Yes, we're having fun. We are still in Potess. I'm going to go around the table.
Yeah, I'm having so much fun. Steve never stops taking the piss out of me.
That's just... Yeah, we're having fun. Right, here we go. Right, Tony.
We are having lots of fun. How are you doing? Living the dream. What colour nails have you got today?
That's a bit creepy. That's like asking what colour pants are you wearing.
Lovely, thanks. Yeah, living the dream.
We're going to run out of time. And continued. Here we go. We go for the rest of the table. Glenn took up so much time, a bit like his riding.
I'm having so much. Having so much fun
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay.
watching Supermoto Steve on YouTube.
Last but not least. Did you see the hummingbird moth?
Amazing.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, we ended there. There we go.